I rí òdòdó kan nílé yín, and since I met her, she's been very wonderful. Ìwà ẹ̀ ó jẹ́ wa ọmọ tí wọ́n kọ́, tó dẹ̀ gbẹ̀kọ́, tó dẹ̀ tún rẹ̀ kọ́.
Wow. Now I have a better understanding why Adeniyi refused to go elsewhere. Honestly, this lady is worth everything. She's worth anything and everything that a man can give or do. Jennifer, the peace of God is already with you. Can you turn around very slowly? Do a 360 degrees for us. Kilo dego. Kilo shalego. Kilo de. Talo so pe ko poke. OPP. Opogan. OPG. Opogan. OPM. Opogan. In the name of the Father, everybody to hands up all the way up. All just out. And of the Holy Spirit very carefully. Everybody go. Amen. Just bless them. I want you to veil her up. And I trust God that this is the only time you'll do this. Tell her marriage will work. Inú burúkú ò ní bí, inú tí ọmọ ló máa fi bí, ẹ̀yin ti pọ́n lápọ̀ yẹn tí ẹ̀ náà pọ́n ọmọ lápọ̀ yìí. Amen. So shall it be. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name we are praying. Amen. Ẹ gbọ́ ọmọ yín o, ayé ni mo mú fún yín kò ní dòkú. Ayé ẹ̀ ní fi sọ̀kò ìbànújẹ́ sáwọn òbí ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbà wọlé, Adeniyi ò ní dòkú. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní fi kan gbà kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Jésù Olúwa wa. Ẹ lajú dáadé ẹ̀sán kalẹ̀ látòrí òkè. Call him your best friend, your gist mate, your prayer partner, your ATM. Call him the father of all of your children. Call him your husband for life. And it will be much more to you.
Ìlọsíwájú ẹ̀yà o.